This is a love reading. Welcome to my channel, and this is a love reading for you all those who are watching it. It's a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it's meant for you. So when universe wants to let you see this reading, it will. This is A and this is B. So we are going to do two readings. About what? Love reading about what is your a better half, other half, or whoever you are in love with is thinking about you. This person, which is for people A, what is this person thinking? This person dreams about you, feels that you are very close, but at the same time this person has certain problems because of which the person cannot immediately come or take the direction that you want. Okay, so you want the relationship to be a committed relationship, or from a committed relationship to be a married relationship. They don't want that. Okay, but you are definitely their weakness. Okay, and they don't want to let you go. They would, in the times to come, currently the feelings are feeling of weakness, thinking about you, lot of imagination, and also feeling that in case you have a trouble, in case you want a support, they are always there for you. This is a big thing. So as a support system, as a person that you can count on, this person is ready to let you believe that they will stand by you in times of crisis or in times of your need. So, but they are in that waiting energy. In times to come, this particular person that you see will be waiting and would want to wait for some more time to go in the direction. The reason is there has been a lot of hurt in the past and a new beginning is required. So if you have not been talking to this person and you've been thinking about this person, you open this reading and you read this and you're listening to this, and if this reading resonates till here, then please listen to what I say a little ahead also. This person would want you to restart with them, and by what I mean by restart is they would want a new beginning with you. They would want all the old differences to go away because there is immense love for you, immense love in spite of all the differences. So this person is ready to support you. That is the key word. Very, very scared to lose you. Okay, does not want you to go away. That is the feeling that this person has. When I touch the energy of this person who loves you, the energy is of a person who is very strong individual. Energy is of a person, this is a psychic thing that I'm telling you. Energy is of a very strong individual. Energy is of a person who is extremely, mature, loyal, would not want to give you false promises, wants to live up to the promise. All these are so very important thing for all of us, right? Anybody in a relationship, right? And now we come to the next reading. This is the next reading that is for this selenite, those who chose B. Okay, now people who chose B, they're nice, they love you, but they would want you to take all the steps. So you have to come back to them and you have to wait for them. They value you, so they definitely understand that you are valuable. They understand that they are blessed to have a friend or a person like you in their life, but at the same time they would want you to get back to them. And another thing about them is very possessive. So this partner of yours is very possessive. He or she will not bend, twist, or show any kind of flexibility. Okay, so you cannot expect this person to be very flexible in understanding you. They want to control you in every sense of the term. And even though they like you, they like your smile, they want you to make the promise, but you have to do everything. And this person somewhat is a little controlling and definitely wants you to take the steps. And when I say that they want you to take the step, it is time for you to take a decision regarding this person. This person is somebody who you have to think whether you should wait or should not wait, because if you decide to wait for this person, you will have to keep on giving, because you are a giver in this relationship, because the love from you is immense, and from that side it's more of a control, more of you dancing to their tunes, and which at times can be a little hurtful for you. And this relationship, you do not want to move, you do not want to start any new relationship, but the universe, in days to come, the decision will be made by you. You will be making a decision whether you need to wait for this person or whether you want to have a new relationship. And when I tell you new, I did pick up the card for something new happening in your life. Even if you take the first step, the person is not going to be very honest with you. So you take the first step, call up that person, reciprocate, ask that person that can we restart or should take the relationship to next level. The person will delay, dally, give you excuses, and you will wait and you will not like it. So I feel in next few weeks, whenever you're watching this reading, things will become clear to you. You will be able to understand that this kind of energy where you are seeing everything written very clearly on the screen, okay? That is the vision board. Vision is very clear, and yet you might not like moving ahead. But it's not about moving ahead or not. It's about understanding whether this is the person that you want to be with. If you are okay to have a very possessive person in your life, and if you're okay to be the giver in the relationship, if you are okay to be the kind of person that they want you to become, perfectly, go for it. I have described the relationship to you. I have described in days to come how is this going to be. It's completely up to you whether you want to step into this relationship or not. Go with full conviction, considering the fact that what you get in this relationship will be far, far, far less than what you have to give in the relationship. Okay, hope it resonates. Any other reading that you want, please like, share, and comment. Comment. When you comment, I would know what you want. When you like, I would know that it resonated. Okay, so it'll help me, inspire me to make more. And if you've come so far, thank you so much. I'm truly, truly, truly grateful to you for listening to this entire reading. Thank you so much.